Ladies and gentlemen, welcome po sa Voice of Impact. Masaya akong ipakilala sa inyo ang isang tunay na tagapag-alaga ng kapayapaan at kaayusan sa ating minamahal na komunidad ng Caypian. Kilala natin si Ginoong Pedro Gimuya Fajardo, ang dedikadong tagapangulo ng Peace and Order Committee ng The Elders Club of Caypian Incorporated. Dito sa Voice of Impact, dadalhin tayo ni Ginoong Fajardo sa isang paglalakbay sa kanyang kahangahangang buhay, sa kanyang tungkulin bilang tagapangulo ng kapayapaan at kaayusan, at ang ilang hindi malilimutang karanasan na nagbigay kahulugan sa kanyang pangako sa pagtiyak ng kaligtasan at pagkakaisa sa ating komunidad ng Barangay Caypian.
First of all, I would like to say my name is Pedro Fajardo, residential of before in Lisandra. Yeah.
Yes.
So then after that, we changed the house because we have some troubles about my son. It's transferred kami sa Phase 4A Diamond, chapter. Phase 4A chapter Diamond Palmera.
I see. So ilang taon na kayo dyan sa Phase 4A po?
Ano lang, mga 5 months lang.
Yes.
I was in 2016.
16.
Yeah,
so,
in Lisandra.
Almost
up to
8 years.
2023.
23 years.
Yeah. Okay, then after that, my son is, all my sons are seaman. 6, but the other one special child.
Oh, I see. Okay.
The two is my daughter.
Yeah, but
Then after 3 as a boy, is working as seaman. 6 children.
Si Mrs. is still
alive.
active. Yes, very active.
Yeah.
I see.
My age is 70, and my wife is 65. Then after that, I stay in Lisandra, in Caypian, in Diamond chapter, Palmera,
Yes.
Phase 4A, almost 6 months.
Oh, I see. Okay. And how long have you been a member of the Elders Club of Caypian po?
Member of Caypian is 3 years. I was in member in Quezon City.
I see.
Then I
Okay.
transferred here.
3 years is a good number of
Caypian.
years, sir. Yes. Okay.
I'm looking for is good things that we make all together. Senior
I
citizen.
see. Yes. Okay.
I don't want to separate who's like this and other chismis
Yes.
in Marites, something like that. I
Opo.
don't like that because I would like to couple of the senior citizen.
Very good. Yes. So you only want peace within the community, especially for the senior citizens.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
I
Pagka sa inaano na lang nila, yung pinapaubaya na lang ng parang wala lang.
I see.
So wala namang gulo.
So, pero
Only
conversations lang, parang nagkakaroon ng kasagutan, parang nagkakasagot. Discussions. Pero nasa-settle din po. Gaano kadalas yun po, sir?
Pagka may meeting dito,
I
may
see.
meeting lang. Tapos ngayon, pagka ang bibig nila, Marites. So I don't like to be
Involved.
Marites because they don't know they don't know the situation about the people. So that's why I want to move out.
Yes.
If something like that make a trouble with for senior.
Yes, for seniors. Mas maganda yung kung hindi kaya, let's say Marites lang din, hindi na kailangan tumawag pa ng mga higher authorities.
Mag-move ka.
Yes.
Paalisin mo na lang yung mainit.
Yes. Tama. Para hindi magkakaroon ng... Yes, hindi lumaki. Very nice, sir. Thank you.
Ang gusto ko, in general, para na sa malaman nila lahat. Kasi iba, ayaw na lang sabihan yung mga kapitbahay. May kanya-kanya sila, ganyan. May mga tropa-tropa, grupo-grupo.
Hindi maiwasan yun, no?
Hindi na iwasan yun. Dahil kasi gano'n na nangyayari din eh.
Opo.
Kaya kailangan ako, naghahanap ako ng mga kung saan sila nakatira.
Yes.
Tapos, hikayatin ko sila. Tara, may meeting tayo, ganito.
Yes.
Gano'n, para mapapaalala ko kung anong rason, kung ba't hindi sila pupunta.
Yes.
At least nadadaanan ko sila.
I see. So, ibig sabihin, sir, what you wanted to say is that kung sakali man you see an elder person here who is not a member of any senior citizen club, ini-encourage nyo po na maging member.
Dapat lang.
Bakit
kasi,
po, sir?
Dahil para sa ganun, maging peace and order, lahat ng mga kapitbahay at saka sa mga sa mga katulad dito sa Bulacan, sa KPN, kailangan magkaisa-isa tayo.
Magkaisa.
Hindi yung away-away, ano ba, kaibigan.
Opo.
Ayaw ko ng ganoon.
Tama din yun, sir.
Gusto ko
That's
para
very
na sa
good.
ganoon, lahat, magkasundo naman kayo, nakikita kayo, nagpapagiyan kayo, maganda,
Maganda.
pangitain.
Ay, very nice. Okay, sir, that was a very nice conversation that we had with you, and we are enlightened. Now we get to know the head of the Committee on Peace and Order of the Elders Club, and hopefully, sir, we will see each other soon, and there will be more interviews with you, sir, in the future. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Any last words you'd like to say?
No, nothing, only this one, only for the senior,
Yes.
all FSC.
Thank you very much, sir. Yes. Thank you. Sa pagtatapos ng episode na ito, nais kong ipaalala sa lahat na lahat tayo ay may papel sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan at kaayusan ng ating komunidad. Ito ay isang pinagsamang responsibilidad upang mapanatiling ligtas at walang kapahamakan ang Barangay Kaypian. Maraming salamat kay Ginoong Pedro Fajardo sa kanyang oras sa pagbabahagi sa atin ng kaunti tungkol sa kanyang sarili at sa kanyang tungkulin bilang Peace and Order Chairman ng The Elders Club of Kaypian Incorporated. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe at magbahagi ng pagmamahal sa ating komunidad. Hanggang sa susunod, mag-ingat at tandaan, ang Kaypian ay kung saan umuunlad ang pagkakaisa at kapayapaan. This is your host, Judy Fabian, signing off.